Hello friends, once again I'm in front of you with new topic, that is banking and its function. So I wanted to take your class but I couldn't take your class due to some busyness in my work. So today I'm going to tell you about banking and its function. Now what is banking? I think if I ask you this question, and you will answer that bank is an institution where people go there and deposit their money. Not only that, only they are accepting the deposits of the people, but the bank plays a very important role on behalf of the consumer. It performs lot of other work, and it plays a very important role in the society. And not only that, the meaning, it is very important for the point of view in for your competitive examination. So now today I will tell you what is banking. So it's very simple term. We can say that banking is an institution which accept the deposits of the people, and second function is advancing loans to the society, and people they get loan. And the question arises in the mind that how the bank works. So if they are accepting money of the people and giving back to the money, what is the how that their employees they get salary from the bank? How they are running this thing? Now it is a very simple term. When you deposit money in the bank gives you very less rate of interest. When the bank gives loan back to the people, and they charge higher interest on that. And the difference between the deposits and the loan, so the whatever the interest rate, that is a profit which earns by the bank, and the bank function with their all expenses with that only. Now the question comes, what are the two main functions? First is accepting deposits. And what are the forms? Says there are two type of their main function is primary function and the secondary function. Now in primary functions we will take in primary function there are three types of deposits the bank accepted. First is, you must have seen there is a current account, that is the saving account, and the third one is the fixed deposit account. The people they deposit money in three forms. First is current account. The people, those who pays and those who are the industry people, they open this current account, and the household people, the we people, they open the saving account. And if you want to deposit your money for the longer period of time, then you open the fixed deposit account. Now, what is the difference between the current account, fixed deposit account, and the saving account? And in that current account, businessman can transaction any number of transaction in a day, or any number of transaction in a month. But for the saving account, there is a limitation. You can do some transaction up to some limit. And in fixed account, you cannot take money anytime when you desire. Your money is kept with the bank for a longer period of time in the fixed deposit. And when you take the current account, there is no interest is paid to the industry, for because they and for saving account, less amount or maybe less percentage of interest is paid to the people. And for the fixed amount, the more interest, if the more if it is the time is more, the interest rate you will be get more, and if the time is less, the interest is less. So these three types of accounts, and with which that the bank accept the deposit. Now the second is advancing loan. How the bank gives loans to the people? There are three types of credit: cash credit, demand credit, and the short-term loans. Now first is the cash credit. A credit limit is sanctioned up to the user may borrow from the bank on a given security. So cash credit is given on the basis of the security deposit by the user, and the demand credit is given at any point of time. That loan is given at any point of time to the people. And the third is short term loan. It is only for the short period of time. So if we take the cash credit, only who take this cash credit? Only the producers and the firms, bigger firms, they take loan from the bank. And for the demand credit is taken by the people, and it is fluctuating. Sometime when the interest rate is more, and so the people, they demand less demand credit. When the interest rate is low, the demand is more. The loan demand, the people demand more loans. And for the short term loan is only for the purpose of, for example, that is loan is taken for that is a housing loan, or maybe that is a car loan, or maybe any short term loan is given by the bank to the people. So these three types of loan is given by the bank to the people, that is called advancing on the loan. These are the two primary function. First is accepting deposit, and the second is advancing loan to the people. So the bank accept the money of the people, and it plays with the, and bank plays only with the money of the people. So they keep some part of the credit for their the immediate transaction which is demanded by the people, and later on the 80% of their deposits they give loan to the for a longer period of time. And that's why the bank earn the difference rate of interest when they pay to the people. So that is very less on deposit, and when they charge on the loan, they charge very high rate of interest. The difference is called the profit of the bank. So today I only discuss about the primary functions of the bank, and tomorrow I will tell you in detail what are the secondary function. I think so it will be clear to all of you that the bank plays a very important role now these days. And due to this corona and in the pandemic time, now bank has given the facility to the consumer, so they can do the online transaction. They can deposit their money by online, and they can withdraw money online, because this facility has been given by the bank to the people during the pandemic time. So once again, thank you very much. If you have any doubt or any queries, please write in the chat box or to the Prashasti, and I will try to solve your queries. Thank you once again for attending this session, and tomorrow I will be coming with the next function, that is secondary function of the bank. Thank you.